UBC Solar, a group of students working day in and day out, balancing homework, exams, and the creation of a vehicle built entirely from scratch, powered by a singular source: the sun.
It's working. And yeah, I'd suggest just make this
Hi, I'm Sam. I'm the Vehicle Dynamics Lead here at UBC Solar.
Yes.
As a team, we're responsible for the steering, the suspension, the braking, and everything that's connected between the chassis, the aeroshell, and all of our components.
I joined Vehicle Dynamics because when I was younger, I would often watch different motorsports, and I'd always be fascinated at the engineering behind the cars, and now I'm in a place where I get to do that.
I think what motivates me the most is my passion for cars and seeing myself growing as a student engineer through designing components for our car. For example, I have recently designed a mounting mechanism for our steering rack impediment using generative design, and I really enjoy the process.
Hi, I'm AJ. The biggest challenge that I faced on UBC Solar on the VDX sub-team was learning how to do finite element analysis and then taking those results and implementing those changes to improve the CAD models that we were working on for the upper and lower control arms on the right side car.
My greatest achievement at UBC Solar is redesigning the braking system. I wrote an iterative braking solver in C++ to size our front and rear brake calipers and redesign the pedal box for our new right side car.
Hi, I'm Koya. This year I'm excited about designing new suspension geometry and manufacturing them.
Hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm on the Vehicle Dynamics sub-team, and this year I'm really looking forward to seeing the car come together and also just learning a lot from the upper year and students here at UBC.
My name is Harjeev. Two things I'm most looking forward to this year are starting manufacturing our new car, Brightside, and seeing it rolling at Comp in June next year.
Here at VDX, it's actually really great to work as a team. We have many different disciplines and many different age ranges here. We have really great people who are quite dedicated to the team. So every time we get to work together, it's an opportunity for learning. We have really great camaraderie between different departments and sharing a lot of knowledge that way. And then once we're getting into manufacturing, it's a really great group. And so it makes it quite easy to come in every Saturday and Monday and Thursday and really put time into solar, because everyone here is just happy to be here and happy to learn. And that's really great.
Affinity Manufacturing have played a massive role in the design and manufacturing of this car for us. They've manufactured and are going to manufacture our uprights, hubs, and our locking rings for our wheels. We don't have the technical capacity, knowledge, or experience to do that manufacturing work ourselves, and not many shops around here do. And so they've played a massive role in getting our car rolling.
I was lucky enough to be one of the students that got to tour around Affinity's machine shop. It was my first time being exposed to all these complicated machines and getting to see how complicated parts are actually made in industry, and it was a really eye-opening tour for me.